and fats are the backbone of modern industry. They touch everything from food to pharma to cosmetics. Yet their supply chains are increasingly fragile. The production of these commodities is concentrated in a handful of countries, leaving markets vulnerable to shocks that cause severe price volatility. This in turn erodes companies' margins. In little over a year, global cacao prices have tripled, and they're nowhere near stable. That spike has cost the chocolate industry over $27 billion, equivalent to the whole US market of frozen meals. I'm Karina Amado, CEO and co-founder of Abydos Bioscience, a biotech platform producing sustainable oils and fats with bacteria. We harness the power of bacteria, which are extraordinary microorganisms that are 1.6 times more efficient at oil production than the yeast and microalgae that our competitors rely on. Our technology is based on precision fermentation. We upcycle agroindustrial waste to feed oleaginous bacteria that we grow in fermentation tanks, obtaining tailor-made oils and fats with a chemical composition and functionality remarkably similar to the ones found in nature. And we have compiled a unique collection of 50 plus bacterial strains, each of them paired with their optimal feedstock to target various fatty acid profiles. This is the team making it happen. Our CSO was the first scientist to discover that bacteria could accumulate oil. And my other co-founders bring a wealth of experience in molecular biology and bioprocess fermentation. Just 2 months after joining forces, we secured our first investment by Big Idea Ventures. We did a product development in less than a month and completed 2 lab-scale fermentations with product samples at hand. Our first product is a cocoa butter equivalent that mimics very closely nature's wonder ingredient in its fatty acid composition. And we're currently testing critical functionalities like melting point and crystallization. And that's just the entry point. We have a whole pipeline of products lined up to be developed. Abydos stands apart from its competitors by the use of bacteria. More flexible feedstock options and higher yields, this gives us a competitive advantage. We're looking for strategic partners and investors to help us reach our next milestones, to scale our technology, to file our first US patent, and to map out our regulatory pathways to design our go-to-market strategy. Thank you very much.